Shorthand English 120 WPM. Get ready. I am very happy to preside over the Silver Jubilee celebrations of your National Institute of Science and Technology today. During the last century, especially during the last 15 years, there has been tremendous progress in the field of science and technology. It has been helped in the furtherance of a prosperous society and betterment of the life of the individuals. We in India are passing through a period of transition from a predominantly agricultural economy to industrialization on a large scale. Progress has to be made both in the agricultural as well as the industrial sector. Therefore, our approach towards science and technology should be to make our country as self-sufficient as possible. I may remind you in this connection that during the British days we depend on imports of almost each and everything. Even small pins and needles were imported from abroad. But since the attainment of independence, we have made every effort not only to manufacture these smaller things but also to build up heavy industries in our country. In so far as industries are concerned, there has been constant progress and development. We have set up large number of new industries both in the public and private sectors. There might have been some delay or slow progress in certain sectors, but taken as a whole, I think our future seems to be quite bright and hopeful. I hope you will agree that in the matter of medium and small scale industries, we have made tremendous progress. In fact, there has been a revolutionary change in this sector. We are at the present moment manufacturing ourselves locomotives, heavy engineering goods, and other highly sophisticated machinery. Though we are trying to be self sufficient, it would not be possible to prevent import altogether in the world of today. We have to be interdependent. We have to seek the cooperation of other countries in building up new techniques. So, in my opinion, science is not something which could be called national, it is really international. It needs the cooperation and coordination of the whole world. However, I advise our young scientists and engineers to base their researches as far as possible to indigenous raw material. We must utilize our indigenous resources. We have at present enormous difficulties of foreign exchange in our country. The problem has become still more difficult now. Of course, being a developing country, we have to depend on foreign loans and aids. But ultimately, we have to find our foreign exchange resources through exports. Unless and until we can produce goods of quality and goods which would compete with other goods in the world market in prices, we will not be able to step up our exports. Therefore, our scientists and engineers have to develop techniques which would give us best quality goods as well as make them cheaper and economical. Our engineers have to look into this aspect of the problem and try to achieve production of quality goods in the best manner possible. If we want to develop our industries, we must have the necessary technical personnel for them. Of course, we are not short of engineers, and I am glad to say that already there has been a good deal of expansion and the number of admissions to the engineering colleges has gone up considerably. Science and technology are the most important developments of this country. However, if science does not lead to peace, it would result in a great disaster. Science should further develop with a view to helping the people to find a better and more peaceful life. The world could not remain divided into a developed area and an underdeveloped area, or a few countries highly developed and other countries still in a developing stage. This difference has to be wiped out and wiped out, and science could be of immense help in this direction.